Alright, today is 3/13/2024. Let's look at a weekly recap of trades that I've took the last 3 days, all the way going back to Friday. Alright, so this was today. This was annoying, very annoying. I was going long. I wanted to go long, but I saw this move on the upside. They dropped. I should have known better. This was my second leg. I should have entered right here, and I would have got 25 pips. But so I missed this move because it was 6 o'clock. So I wanted to get back into this move, thinking that she was going to go to the upside. And I waited for New York. She gave me 1-2. Never broke pretty much below this swing. So I was good to hold this trade. When she finally broke, it was like 1 p.m. And then this candle should have told me to get out the trade. Like, held it, thought it was going to go continue, because she broke this. I had this little zone right here. I thought this was right here, but nope. Just came back and hit my break even. That's cool. This trade was the previous day. So the rules for this trade was New York City reversal. Pretty much we had price range, so from here to here, this was probably the full ADR. ADR was 68, 77, that's pretty close. A little overextended, but I knew I was going to get a reversal, so I waited for a good setup. This is a good inducement. 1, 2, 3 to the low, out the band, came back in, second leg. Entry was right here. Got 27 pips there. Took the same exact trade, but on the opposite side on Friday. This was a beauty. We did the same exact thing for New York City. The rules is ADR must be met from start to finish. They overextended again. There was news here, CPI. People probably took this long. We have an outside structure right here. It literally never went back to this candle. Trap volume, came back up, came back up. I took this trade here on this close, pulled back. About 11 o'clock, 10 to 11, brought it back. Failed to crack. Got 25 out of this one. This was a bad setup on my point. Not knowing the cycle pattern, made a mistake. So we had a beautiful W at the Mayo, which I should have taken because this is one of my trades. But then I waited here. I saw this, thinking that this was going to hold this multi-session M, but I should know better. Once I took this was 2 hours. I could have scratched out. Instead, I took a -20. And before, this was probably going to dog me, because non-discipline would have been like move my stop, move my stop, move my stop, move my stop, and start praying. Look at this already. But that was my first few years trading. Look at this. This went up for 132 pips. Now, if you drag this forward, right, look at this. That means I was stuck here. Look when they come back. No relief. Almost got out. Nope. And I was still holding. This is what they're going. They're going back up here to dog these even more. Alright, let's continue. Take another trade here. I was mad about this one. Look at this. This was a beautiful London pattern. Here, here, here. Came up here. She failed to break it for 2 hours. I had to cut this trade. It's already 6 o'clock. But look, she came back down, never broke, and then took off. We're now holding trades. Let's see what else. Okay. This was a beautiful setup. They went a little above. They broke below, came back, took this trade right here, 30 pips. And if I didn't get out, look at this, right there, come right back, and they just kept going. So those are the trades that I've taken so far. So we had 1 break even, 1 loss, 3 wins. Let's look at the M15 real quick. Looks a little better. But today was pure garbage. Look at this. 30 pip range. The EMAs were tight, so that could have played a factor. When the EMAs are nice and expanded, that's when you get the nice moves. When they're nice and tight, no point of trading. Alright, that's the weekly recap of GBPUSD. I'm going to try to do this more often. Like and subscribe, comment. You know what to do.